Zenler's blog. Go to Site and then on the left go to Blog. Let's enable the blog as we haven't got any blogs in yet. Once you enable the blog, you'll have a new blog post icon. You'll have settings and view blog. To create a blog, just click New Blog Post. Enter a post title and a post description. Then simply click Create. From here, you can set up a blog image by clicking Change. Recommended sizes for blog image are 1200 by 675. If we click Change, we can upload our own image. Select your image and click Open. Now you'll have the ability to crop the image if you've used a larger size image. Click Crop and Save, and your blog image is created. Let's write our blog content inside here where it says Content. You can format your text by selecting it and choosing Format. You can also make text bold using the WYSIWYG editor. You can italicize or create strike-throughs. You can create lists, drop images in, create tables, add links, color the text, change the font size, and align. You can view this also in full screen. You can change the URL of your blog post by editing the end part here. If you have more than one author, you can select them in here. And if you have categories set up, you can select them inside here. Once you're finished formatting your blog post, you can just click Update. This will take you to the last part, which is Settings. So we've moved from blog post into the settings now. Inside here, we can show featured image on post page or turn it off, make the post visible for anyone, only logged in users or enrolled in a course. You can also go in here and change the title or description. You can set up meta keywords for your blog post and set up the social media image in here as well. This is a preview here of how it looks in a search engine or shared socially. You can also add custom code down here in this box. Notice when dropping in meta keywords, these should be separated by a comma. You can also change how the social share looks on other platforms. So if we change this in here, it will update inside here, as you can see. So I'm going to make this blog post available to anyone to view and click Update. Now this blog has been created, you have the option to publish this post or preview the post. Let's click Preview. Here is our previewed blog post. You'll notice that by default there's social share icons in here for others to share your blog post. And you'll also notice the name of the author, the title, and a breadcrumb link at the bottom, plus the featured image and the article itself. You'll also notice that inside the menu you get an extra menu item called Blog Appear. If you click this, you go through to blog posts that you have. Now we haven't published this, so until I publish this post by clicking here, it will not appear inside the blog post. Please note that you will need to update the sitemap yourself when you create a new blog post. Make sure you do this. For now, we will close this. Let's now update this page and the new blog post will appear in our blog there, which you can click through to. Make sure you watch other related topics on blog posts.